folks, Waterfall Hunter here. That's me, yeah, pretty guy. So just walking down the local area here, and I mean this is suburbia, right? And I hear the sound coming from the bush of a waterfall. I'm going, oh my god, I haven't never seen this waterfall before. So I've gone straight in there, sneaking in, of course. I don't want to disturb its environment too much. So I'm just heading down here. So I was pretty careful. I didn't want the waterfall to damage me in any way, and of course they certainly have done a lot of damage to people's camera equipment in the past. Being a bit cautious on this one. It looked a bit treacherous. Yeah. So coming over here, we've got a good view on it. I don't know how long. It was raining a bit, so yeah, this one's just crept in here. But look at the solitude of it. Look at the ruggedness, the rugged solitude of it all. It's a wonderful sight, and this is just in our suburban backyard. So quite a pleasant little thing. So this is what it's all about. This is what we come here for. It's just to get a good old look at the waterfall, get the majesty of it all, and let's just do a bit of that. So we'll just have a minute's silence while we take it all in. Okay, so let's have a look exactly. Where is this waterfall? Let's have a look at it. This is the whole thing. It's just hidden away. No one knows about it. It's just come out. It's just doing what it does best. It's just moving water from one place to another. That's what waterfalls do best. That's their thing. But where is it? Where is this thing? I'll tell you. Bay cockatoo. You can't get rid of him. He's obviously, he's just maybe just sitting around watching the waterfall too. That's what they do. They just go. They know about it. The cockatoos know about the waterfalls. We're the ones that don't. We're just sitting down watching a 200-inch TV. Don't even know that this is just sitting right outside. And how good is it? So let's just creep up here and I'll just show you where this is. Have a look at this. That's it. A couple of meters away from the footpath. Near a little stormwater pipe there in the back suburban of Queensland. This is Waterfall Hunter signing off.